See, it is right off the solarium, and you can hear the piano, and there's an extra door there that they can shut. That they can shut at night, I hear. But once you shut this door, you really can't hear it. So, we got our life jackets, a tall closet, or not quite as tall for clothes, but shelves, and then more clothes, and then the bathroom. Sink and everything. Lots of storage. Here's the bath for the shower. Got some soap. And then you have couch, more storage. The safe, a fridge, that a little hard to open, but it's the fridge. Some power.
Little girl? Why not? I mean, Rousseau could be a trained child. 2 more bracelets, 2 o'clock.
The TV.
Okay, maybe not.
The window.
Actually, they give all
and the bed.
that indicate their respective assembly stations so crew can take them there in case of an emergency. I saw it on the ship's safety video during briefing.
Agent Blair, I am so impressed with you right now.
We're sailing out of Barcelona, so that's where we're at right now.
It's really great. Prevents parents from having to look for their children.
And
no sign.
Oh wait, turn back to the right.
The TV. So anyway, this is the room. This is home for the next 12 nights. This will work.
Father-in-law is always blathering on.
Hope you enjoyed.